So folks, in this video I am going to illustrate to you how to get to your network device, in this case a VOS router, from a multi-hop scenario where you have a jump server in the middle. Usually SSH from directly connected devices is straightforward, but if you want to run scripts like Python, you have to tweak your script a bit. So in this case, your laptop will run a script. In this case, the laptop is running Windows, and it's running Python 3 and with NETMIKO. So from here, it's going to run a script to jump on the jump server, and then automatically jump from the jump server to VOS to do whatever you want to do. In this case, just get a show interface. To get NETMIKO, you're going to have to run Python 3-m pip install NETMIKO on the Windows laptop, assuming you have the Python install, which is pretty straightforward once you get the Windows to run Python 3. So once that is installed, you got to run this command to get the NETMIKO. NETMIKO has the SSH handler that you need to do SSH on the jump server, as well as jump to the VOS to whatever you need to do. This is again automation. If you're doing it manually, you would obviously SSH to the jump server, and then from there manually SSH to the VOS server device. All right, so now I am first going to illustrate that and then show you the script. So here's my Windows prompt, and this is my Ubuntu and VOS. It's pretty straightforward, nothing to show here except that the jump server Ubuntu is connected with two network interfaces, and that one of them is connected to VOS, the other one is connected to the laptop. So from here, I'm first going to do an SSH through NETMIKO or Python 3 script and do an LSL just to make sure that just to illustrate that I'm jumping on the jump server. So if I go to my Ubuntu and do ls/l, I see this, and we'll compare this output with our Python script, and our VOS has these interfaces with 131 as the IP address, 192.168.70.71.131. So we'll see this. So we'll see this output first, and then we'll see the show interface output from the VOS with this topology. So my directory has this script called jump server to VOS, and I'm going to run this. I'm going to run this script here by typing Python 3 jump server to VOS pi. And it's going to jump to the jump server and do an ls. Now hopping to jump server, here's the ls. Now hopping to VOS from jump server and doing the show interface command, which is 192.168.71.131. So this script is sitting on the Windows laptop, and it doesn't have to be Windows, it could be a Linux, but in this case it's my laptop with Windows. Jump servers are usually Ubuntu's or Linux, could be a Windows jump server as well. But here's the script. The script says that you gotta import NETMIKO and then import connect handler. That's the module that you need. And then you need to import time. Then you gotta configure the two devices. This is the jump server with the username and all that good stuff, IP address, username, password, device type. And the second device is your network device. device 2, IP address, username, password, device type. Once you have device and device 2, then you use this variable, could be anything here, equals to connect handler device. So this is now going to use this information to connect to the jump server. It's going to print now hopping to jump server. You need to give some time so that it shows you the output, because now you're using the right channel module that needs a little bit of time for display. So if you skip the time command, you may not see the LS output. So once you have this right channel option or command, it's going to put this, and you're going to read this into an output variable. This could be anything that you like, but it's going to read the channel now. It's writing the channel with this command, and now it's reading the channel with this command. And then you're printing it, and this is going to get the LSL printed on the screen. Once that is complete, I put in time sleep 1 just to make sure it doesn't rush you through. And then it says print hopping to VIOS from the jump server. And then we use the same command with connect handler, which we did here. We do device 2 now. So now notice the difference between the two commands. The first one said connect handler. This is the first hop. The second hop says with connect handler, go to device 2. So you gotta use the with option to call this module and provide the device 2 information. And then this is also different, as NetConnect is your, the first thing. So basically what you're doing, you're going into an SSH tunnel here. You're tunneling through your original SSH into a second device, and then putting the output again into the same variable, could be a different one as well. And then you're sending the command show interfaces, and then printing that command. And then after that, you're just disconnecting it. So that's a multi-hop Python script with connect handler and with connect handler, and this code that you could use to do a jump server SSH into the network device that's not directly accessible. This is usually the case in DMZs or secure network sections where you cannot directly access the IPs of the devices or routers. You have to come through a jump server that is multi-homed between the two segments of your network. Hope this helps.